Howdy fellers. Today we're gonna be old tearing up old car. Take a look down there. Yeah. We're gonna be running over a car today in the truck. It's gonna be real fun. We got Lucas here with his truck, show truck. With the piece of crap Ranger. Gonna be running it up on there. And it's gonna cause a lot of damage. So let's head on down here. Look at this ride. Take a look inside here.
Hold up, premium tires.
Premium interior.
Those tires actually were not bad. I could have probably sold those.
Not bad.
That's too bad.
Full complete dash. Well, we got truck. We're gonna get started.
There we go.
You
That
almost.
E-brake ain't worth nothing. That E-brake ain't worth nothing.
What's that gonna do?
I don't know.
Very nice.
Well, we'll put it dry side up top. This is not gonna work.
No.
Oh,
Watch out, I'm just gonna send it.
Oh God. Random raw footage.
The door now has a
Put the ramp on top of that.
gap. Watch me accidentally like loop one of those tires around my tire. If you can do that with that small of a tire,
Now you've got grip.
this ain't gonna work.
Ain't gonna work. The car moves too much. I tell you, we're getting into it.
Yeah.
What's all that blue?
What do you mean?
what's all the blue?
What's the only thing that's blue on your truck?
It's just like the very bottom.
Where's all that blue come from?
Straight. Yeah, you're good.
Yeah. Success.
Very nice. What was that? What was that?
I don't know, but it didn't sound good.
Oh.
I feel like it was the drive shaft.
No.
I tell you what, that ramp is a champion.
Come on.
Nah. No.
Stop. Stop right there.
You ain't gonna be able to get both tires on there.
She's a little slick on the hood. Tell you what. God.
Yeah, if you that ain't gonna be working.
you don't need it.
Pretty good.
I think it's backing up.
What do?
Go get ratchet straps so we can pull that bitch back down here. You tried to throw that through the
Good thing you
windshield.
didn't pole vault.
Yeah, I'm trying to get it through the window.
Pole vault. Ah!
There you go.
Is that a lawnmower axle?
I think so.
That's a trailer axle.
I just found it over
It's a
there.
6 lug, whatever.
Door, there's wet paint on it.
Let's see here, boys.
That's a good way to dent the back of the truck. Have fun.
That's one way to do
Have fun undoing that knot you just made. It's got a Koenigsegg door now.
Oh, we upgraded it.
No, it's the Aston Martin that does that. It's just backwards because Aston Martins go up. Okay. Let's get this thing shut.
That's one. Good God. That should be good.
That'll work. I just scratched that good pain.
Very nice. God, that thing got destroyed.
Okay, let's not mess with the gas tank.
Good God.
I'm scared about the mouse. I don't want them to get scared.
I think it's far past them getting scared.
Yeah, they're definitely scared. I just don't want to kill them.
Oh, was that B-Tech? Ethan!
Is that a VTEC?
What do you not understand about don't waste my spray paint?
Right.
And that's why you don't have a spray toe strap.
I got another one.
Back up, we'll hook it up. Hey, don't blame this on me, boy.
Don't blame it on you when you're the one that attaches junk to glass.
I attached it to a pillar.
That had glass all
Here,
over
all
it.
you got to do is take a lighter, remelt that, tie it back together, perfect, brand new.
You're stupid.
I know.
Right there.
Why are you scratching my paint?
On the can.
You think that's good right there on that?
Tina's car.
Let's just set up.
Very nice. Ethan, what is your obsession with beating stuff?
I don't know, it's a lot of pent up anger.
And you're getting
It's crazy that a pistol is just that loud. Just a little pistol.
Oh yeah. Dalton, you ever shot? Yeah.
Very nice.
Both hands, Devin.
You got one more. It didn't rack. You got one more. Oh.
Well, looks like we did a good job. Vehicle's pretty good shape. I think we still drive it, start it up, do some work on it. Don't ask us if we're going to rebuild it because we are. Nah. Well, hope y'all enjoyed that crap. If y'all want to see more of that, make sure you subscribe because Lord, we need it. Oh, and see you next video.
Chief, you got to tell them the frequency of your video releases.
It's gonna start up a little bit better now.
Okay.